Now today our Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh has also tweeted that all of this is done because 12 months from now there will be elections in Assam. The BJP government have no performance to show. They are unable to fulfill any of their promises, and in order to hide their failures, they are embarking upon a mischievous and malicious, baseless, factless, slanderous campaign, and we will definitely be taking the appropriate action. At the same time, I have full faith in the wisdom of the people of Assam that they can see through this obvious slander campaign, and the way the people of Jharkhand voted out the rhetoric of Himanta Biswa Sharma ji during the Jharkhand Vidhan Sabha elections. The same wisdom of the Assamese people will prevail. They will see through this mischievous slander and will vote in a Congress-led government in the upcoming assembly elections.
Nara chugumak ansing baljokna skama mabanggi jasan.
Chugumak tanang?
Enda ko de kuros kamu tungo maina chugumak kuni jainga plus F markadong pako.
Plus F?
Salantio anchini chaani rango peena namgani rangko de bang akon watchanga jayan anchini bimang gisik porayani nambate rakani mandapani aro gemuk konik nikata nang koban.
Ndak plianga chaunan machungjak?
Oe chugumak nanganirang unigaman na atta merong kari to aro dut rangko koros kaingon plus F marka donggo pako sa nibo maina uno iron aro vitamin rangko nangani kriotna sungi chane chaoba mukron chinioba aro chatho nioba mamang dengtangani ko ijawa
Dentang rekan ku ijo ramai nasa brans ka injok.
endiba mengsau blongen dengtang rekani donga anchinian sing baljokanio Nambata chaani rengani chi, nambate jangi thangani. Plus F marka dongpa chaani rangko, daaloni jakhalbo.